guys, Swazzy, and welcome to another new unboxing video on my YouTube channel. So it has been a while since I uploaded my last video, which is around 3 to 4 months ago. I was actually on the MSI GF65 thin gaming laptop review, and I've got to say this is way beyond my expectations, but I received so much love and support, and not only new subscribers but also you guys setting a new record video for the most viewed video ever on my YouTube channel. I think it received around 11 to 12k views, so all I gotta say is that thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll keep making content like this if you guys really want me to. Apart from that, that's not the main part of the video. The main part of the video, as you probably saw in the title already, is that I'll be unboxing the DJI Osmo Action Camera, which was, I think, released last year in May 2019. But you guys will be thinking, why are you only making this video right now after like a whole year? But it's because October 13th and 14th there was actually an Amazon Prime Day deal, and this was one of the deals that had a major discount, and I just had to call it because it was a lot cheaper than retail. From that, it also did come as a bundle with the charging kit, the floating handle, as well as a 1-year warranty for the company DJI, and even if I break it, I'll be able to get a new one or even get it fixed with. Apart from that, I don't think you guys really want to listen to me speak, so I'll just leave it to the unboxing. So now let's get into the unboxing and the actual part of the video. So that was the unboxing just saw just now, and that is all from me today. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and share this video to as many people as you can. And yeah, there's nothing really much to say. I will be also making a review video probably in the next 1 or 2 months, because I do need to test these out to give you my personal opinion on the DJI Osmo Action Camera. So make sure to check that out. That I will be posting in the near future, and yeah, there's nothing really much to say. If you have any video suggestions or any suggestions for me to make prior to the DJI Osmo Action, then feel free to leave it on the comments down below. So that's all from today, and peace.